Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, it is the 22nd of February. There's been a lot that's happened overnight, and yes, Grayscale has continued to dump GBTC shares or Bitcoin on Coinbase. It's very, very annoying. Anyway, there's a lot to go through. Yes, we have the updates in relation to Ripple and a potential Ripple and XRP spot ETF, which is incredibly bullish. Can't wait for that as well. We've got an analyst coming out saying avoid Ethereum at all costs, which is interesting. Yes, I think Bitcoin is going to literally steal the crown of gold, which is very, very bullish as well. What's coming up with the Bitcoin halving? We're only 59 days away from that. So again, this is an opportunity of an absolute lifetime to make those serious gains. So we're going to go through that in my favorite picks for this upcoming bull market. Stellar, yes, launching smart contracts, which is very, very bullish. Now, again, how crazy is this? But you've got former FTX associates and executives launching a new crypto exchange, which is insane. I would stay well away from that. We've got Solana TVL absolutely smashing some records right now, which is interesting. Well, that's total value locked. And SUI coin as well, making some moves. Now, again, I did mention a crypto that I'm very bullish on as well, which is LCX, which is making some incredible gains as well. I'm also going to be going over my 3 commerce trading bots on OKX. Both are official partners of the channel. There's incredible things happening in this space. Let's get into the news. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up or watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab. It is morning here in Australia, 10:41 a.m. at the time of recording. And yeah, we're having that espresso. Now, again, this is bullish as anything, but an ex-Ripple director who predicted the major news 1 week ago says an XRP ETF in 2024 or 2025, which is not that far away, and a Ripple IPO in 2025. That is very, very bullish news. Again, I've been wanting to buy Ripple shares for a long time, but obviously you need to be quite the accredited investor on Link2 to do that, or you need to have like a substantial amount of cash, which is annoying, but very, very bullish times. Yes, the market has dipped overnight, and that is thanks to, again, to Grayscale dumping $199 million worth of Bitcoin last night on Coinbase. It's amazing. The price rises, they bring it down. The price rises, they bring it down. I honestly believe that Grayscale has the power to literally drop the entire market. I honestly believe probably 30-40%. They hold that much Bitcoin. So every week since January, they've literally been loading off Bitcoin, which is nuts. Now, again, the Wall Street Bull University, I love this community. It's absolutely unreal. The trading gains today, this is crazy, but this has gone up significantly, which is nice. 266 on the day, 500 on the week, and 2,600 on the month. That is in the Wall Street Bull University. I literally just posted up there before, and I have responded to all the direct messages, which is incredible. So go join up, ladies and gents. The link is in the community tab. I need to fix that link, by the way. I'm not sure why it didn't work. Top altcoins, again, we've got XYO, which is pumping, Sia Coin, and Pitbull, which again was just a bit of a gamble and a bit of fun with a friend, so don't go buy that because it's a meme coin. And Casper, which actually has a lot of real world utility, building quantum financial computers and blockchain technology with IBM, and it is also working with Alphabet. Very, very nice. Quick look at coin market cap today. We've got $1.96 trillion. Which is very, very nice to see that. Volume is 80 billion, so a lot of people are trading at the moment and buying. 51% Bitcoin on the dominance and 75% on the Fear and Greed Index. And Bitcoin sitting at 51,000 today, which again is quite nice, but thank you Grayscale for dumping that Bitcoin on the market. Ethereum's at 2,970, just below that 3K level. We have Solana at $105 today. We've got XRP at 54 cents, Cardano's at 59, AVAX $37, Chainlink $11. Scrolling down to some of my favorites again, Immutable X, I'm bullish on play to earn games, $3.34. Hedera at 10 cents. We have XLM 11 cents. VeChain slightly moving up above that 4 cents level, 4.5 or 0.045, which is nice to see that finally. The graph is pumping 9.51% today. Scrolling down, SUI and SEI, they are in the portfolio. SEI's at 87 cents. SUI's at $1.68, which is very, very nice. ALGO's at 18 cents. Scrolling down, Quant, $104. Very, very good stuff there with Quant. WorldCoin, 2.56%. That is pumping as well. We've got IOTA at 27 cents, still remaining quite strong. And of course, I'm bullish on XDC, Reef, and yes, XYO, which is again making some nice moves today. I mean, this is a very low cap gem that not a lot of people are speaking about. But anyway, and of course, I'm bullish on LCX. We'll get into that in a moment. Yes, let's just go to Crypto Bubbles quickly. And I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. Again, this is where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots with 3 commas, the full setup guides, the videos, about 15 minutes long. A lot of updates with the news before I go live on the channel. Everything's in the Patreon, guys, as well as my dividend-paying stocks, which I dollar cost average into every single week. It's a very, very bullish community. I literally just got back to everybody in the DMs, by the way. Just bear in mind it takes me a bit of time because there's so many people. We're up like 919 members today, which is incredible. So thank you very much. Cheers to that, ladies and gents. There's 1,790 posts, so almost at 1,800 posts. So there's a lot of information in there. Anyway, quick look at the 3 commas setups. Now, again, I am trading a significant amount of bots. By the way, the links for 3 commas are below in the video description. You'll see them right there. You will get a discount from my referral link on the monthly subscription, which is what I use, the Pro plan. And of course, you will get a discount on the yearly subscription as well if you want to buy out the whole year and not have to worry about the monthlies. It's completely up to you. If you use the yearly, you will get about 25 to 50% off. I'm not entirely sure at the moment. That is linked below. And the monthly, you'll get about 10% off. So use the link below. Again, this allows you to trade the entire market, whatever you like, whatever indicators you like, the deal start conditions. So you can use RSI indicators, Bollinger Bands, MACDs, volumes, like a whole range of indicators. I'm using an RSI indicator because it's pretty straightforward. It opens longs and closes and opens shorts as well based on the below the 30 long position, above the 70 it's going to open a short position. I mean, this is how it works on a 3-minute time frame, taking 1.5% profits on each one of these deals that it opens. Now, again, I'm trading the spot market now as a hedge against being liquidated when trading with leverage. Again, this is something I made a decision to do. All of these spot positions have remained open and they're in profit, which is incredible. So there's a lot of them that I'm trading at the moment. I also have multi-bot set up using 15x leverage. The multi-bots, again, allow you to trade all the perpetual contracts on OKX. You can use this 3 commas software on multiple exchanges around the world. It doesn't have to be OKX. I use OKX because, yes, they're an incredible exchange. They allow me to trade with leverage in Australia, whereas multiple exchanges don't. You cannot trade with leverage in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, and some other countries around the world. So again, you can use these spot trading setups, which again, I've got in the Patreon. Very, very straightforward. And again, I'm trading long and short, so both long and short. And I've also got single pairs trading in a long position with leverage. So bear in mind that, I have had multiple liquidations thanks to Grayscale. You do get liquidated. So again, if you're an emotional trader, don't trade with leverage, all right? Just a little bit of a tip for you guys because it can get pretty wild out there. So don't go and invest in something stupid that you can't afford to lose. Going to OKX, currently up 510. That's just going up crazy. 510 on the day, that's 4%. 512 on the week. On the month, we're up at 27.03%. That's 2,664. Absolutely crazy. And on the 6 months here again, 7.85. Crazy times that we're in at the moment, all right, with this trading. It's wild. Going down here, we've got 108 open orders in the book at the moment, 69 positions currently trading. Very, very nice day. If you go to position history, 1.5% profits doesn't seem like a lot. However, when you multiply that by 68 positions, there you go, it does add up. Now, some of these positions have made like $4.75 USDT, $1.81, $4.68 USDT, $3.46, nearly $4 USDT, a couple liquidations, I'm not worried about that. This one here on Chili's made 10 USDT, which is crazy. And this is all today, by the way. Pretty wild when you think about that. And yes, it's still the 21st in the United States. So this works on the United States calendar right here. But this will switch over very, very soon. Crazy stuff. Anyway, all in the Patreon. Go join up to that, ladies and gents. You will not regret it. Jasmy Coin. I have had a few followers tell me about this. I remember this ages ago in the previous bull market. Absolutely pumping. It's currently trading at 1 cent USD, and it's up 223% on the month. Ridiculous, all right? This was pumping in the previous bull market. Like, I have to go back on the charts, but it was doing quite well. It's up 40% today. That's crazy. AGIX is one that I'm trading at the moment with the 3 common spots, by the way, on the spot and on the perpetuals. It's up 22% on the day, 164 on the month, and 78% on the year, which is absolutely wild. The graph's doing quite well at 11% as well, 27 cents. SEI coin is still up 282% this year. This is nothing compared to what's coming for this upcoming bull market. Like, absolutely nothing. Now, again, yes, I mentioned this, just got something in my eye. Yesterday I mentioned, obviously, Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse talked about the spot Bitcoin spot ETFs for XRP, which have been incredibly bullish. But he has essentially welcomed these ETFs, viewing it as a positive step towards stability within the market. Concerns have been sparkled by the BlackRock CEO, reporting lack of understanding of XRP. The path to an XRP ETF remains unclear, as it depends on the evolving regulatory landscape. And, Gary Gensler is going to do absolutely everything in his freaking power to not allow an XRP ETF, in my opinion, but he's going to have no choice because crypto is just going to smash the entire traditional financial system. Avoid Ethereum at all costs, says Bitcoin advocate. And we've got Fred Krueger has recently voiced concerns about Ethereum's fundamental trends and potential regulatory hurdles. And Krueger's remarks shared in a post on X underscored notable statistics regarding Ethereum's network activity and transactional utility. It is too freaking expensive. And he's highlighted Ethereum's soaring price, especially in a recently achieved 2-year peak, with declining network usage despite Ethereum reaching $3,000 US. And Krueger noted a significant drop in daily active users from 120,000 in 2021 to just 66,000 in the past year again. Bitcoin Maxi highlighted the declining user activity on the blockchain's top app Uniswap v3, Ethereum's leading decentralized exchange protocol, highlighting it is a notable concern. I wonder freaking why. Again, we've got an interesting one here, but Forbes article right here, stealing gold's crown. Bitcoin ETF inflow suddenly surge on $13.3 trillion prediction as crypto bulls target $10,000 Ethereum price. And again, I think it will definitely overtake gold's, market cap. There's no doubt in my mind. It's like digital gold anyway. There's no doubt in my mind. What the Bitcoin halving and Bitcoin ETFs mean for supply and demand. Well, you've got to understand that institutional money, the old money, is coming into crypto now, which is very, very nice to see that. And the demand is going to soar because of the halving. You're going to have a lot of institutional and old money coming into this space now, which is a good thing. And I do believe, sorry, I've got itchy nose, unbelievable. I do believe that we're going to be seeing an extended bull run. I saw analysts on CNBC last night talking about Bitcoin potentially hitting $500,000 towards the end of this year. USD, by the way, which is just insane. But I do see that happening because the supply is going to be reduced and demand is going to be skyrocketing. That is essentially what's going to happen. Bitcoin halving is 59 days, 21 hours, 3 minutes, and 37 seconds away. So it's not that far, which is really, really nice to see that. Yes, Stellar again sparked some bullish momentum right here with the smart contract upgrade, which is very, very nice to see that. Validators of the Stellar network voted Tuesday to upgrade the Stellar mainnet to Protocol 2.0, which introduces this Soroban smart contract platform. Very, very nice for Stellar Lumens to do this. Now, this is some pretty crazy news, but you've got former FTX and Alameda executives launch a new crypto exchange in the United States. Stay the hell away from this. That's all I'm going to say about that. I wouldn't want anything to do with them. Solana total value locked hits $2 billion after a year of sign of recovery or not. Again, this is all to do with the collapse of FTX. It was an absolutely disaster that happened with this, but I took advantage of the opportunity. And Solana's total value locked has been marking efforts to regain its pre-FTX highs. Recently reached a TVL milestone for the first time in over 1 year. The question now is whether it's able to maintain this newfound level. I think it will, and I'm incredibly bullish on that. SUI is a coin that I got into probably last week, but overtakes Aptos, Cardano in value locked, sees $310 million in inflows in 30 days. Very, very bullish right there. And again, the SUI blockchain reached a peak of 6,000 transactions per second in December as it produced 13.8 million blocks in 1 day. Crazy when you think about that, and this is why Raoul Pal is now, sitting on this particular coin. There was a video that came out 2 months ago with him stating that he's, holding this particular coin, as well as a lot of Solana. Moving on to CryptoMeter.io, let's have a look here. We've got money going into Ethereum, BNB, Jasmy, of course, Filecoin, Matic. We've got SUI, AGIX, Hedera, nice, SEI, and AI as well. Quick look at X, and then we'll get through this and go through my top picks for this upcoming bull market. Thank you to those of you who have followed me on X. I really appreciate it. Now, Grayscale has transferred 3,164 Bitcoin worth $161 million to Coinbase just now. I mean, this was 8 hours ago. It also transferred 1,674 Bitcoin worth $85 million to a new address. Very, very interesting. Thanks, Grayscale. Chad's basically saying, there you go, folks. The BlackRock ticker for ETF will be IXRP. iShares XRP ETF as well. Very, very nice. That's going to be crazy if that happens. Absolutely hilarious. Yes, XRP is better than Ethereum for sure. Satoshi Nakamoto, could it be David Schwartz? Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Yes, Johnny Deaton is absolutely going to be running against Elizabeth Warren, and I do believe he will win. Thank you very much, John E. Deaton. Without you, XRP Army wouldn't have won this lawsuit against the SEC for sure. Jim Cramer putting out some funny posts today, but, he's basically saying ahead of NVIDIA earnings, Cramer says the AI giant isn't anywhere near its peak. So essentially, there you go. It's going to absolutely crash. Jeff Bezos selling $2.37 billion worth of Amazon stock, for his super yachts, of course. The Ethereum ETF is next. And there's a lot of things coming up in this space. And the Bitcoin bull market is signaling a green volume candle right here. Very, very nice to see that. Yeah, I do believe we're in a full-blown bear market, but it's probably at the very early stages of this. Let's just wait and see what happens. And that is pretty much it. Yeah, Bitcoin ETF saw net inflows of $136 million on February 20th, led by BlackRock's IBIT with $154 million total. He's $5.5 billion on the 20th of February. This amount of money is absolutely wild. Anyway, going to CoinMarketCap, my top picks for my own sanity. Again, I'm using banking coins, Utilities King, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, AVAX, Chainlink, Hedera, XLM, Algorand, Quant, Flare, WorldCoin. We have IOTA, XDC, Casper, Cello, LCX, Liechtenstein Exchange that is tokenizing diamonds. Nextra, Energy Web Token, carbon credits. Constellation DAG is highly secure, and the US Air Force is actually using them. Solargenic, SHX, Corium, Electronium, and Mobi. And yes, of course, I've got many other coins in the portfolio. Again, which I'll share in the Patreon. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. I've got a massive day ahead. Make sure you enjoy yourselves. Stay safe out there. Join the Wall Street Bull University. It's linked below. And I will speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning, wherever you are in the world. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Stay safe, guys. Peace out. Bye.